We're going to look at the radar here and see this rain moving into the area at the moment. And the heaviest rain very far from the center. Center way over here. Looks like it already did make landfall as the center right about there, just northeast of Sarasota. And you see this big burst of lightning there, and that's where the tornado warning is too. So that's right where the center of this very, very small storm is. We get a little bit of a lull in the action here, and then we have all this light to moderate rain overspreading our whole area here right now. So as this moves across the state, we'll see the chance for rain continue, and then as it kicks out, we'll start to dry out. And you see back behind it some drier air already filtering in north of, say, Tampa, looking a lot better right now. Now, taking a look at live Viper Max, we're looking at 75 degrees in West Palm. Here's all that rain spreading in. Heavier in the western part of Palm Beach County. Hardly any now in the northern part of Okeechobee County and the western Treasure Coast. But right along the coast, we're still seeing that steady rainfall coming down. And of course, the streets, keep the headlights on, keep the wipers on, keep the flashers off. It's not real heavy enough that you would think to put your flashers on anyways, but could pick up. You could have pockets of heavy downpours from time to time. So here we go on Vipercast. We'll put this into motion. This is pretty accurate what it looks like right now, and you see through the day it continues. Then around dinner time or a little bit after dinner time, start to get some drier air filtering on in. Now the center of where Emily would be approximately right here. So you see some dry air did get filtered in. This is that little space in between where the storm was and out ahead of it was. So we're in that little bit by dinner time or so. We see some moderate rain coming down after that. And then that will pull on out. We may see a band of showers and thunderstorms form on Tuesday. We may see the sun come out a little bit on Tuesday too. That will destabilize things a little bit more, and we're going to see the chance for thunderstorms again very high on Tuesday, but not like we're seeing today where we see that big steady swath of rain across the area. We're going to see brief periods of heavy rain and downpours and thunderstorm activity on Tuesday. Wednesday still remains very high. The frontal boundary that caused this entire mess, including this tropical storm, still hanging around for a couple of days. It's going to stick around a few days or so. Then we're going to see it finally start to lift a little bit to the north. Friday looks like the driest day. Then we open up the gates for a tropical wave to move in to our south or just along the southern part of Florida. That's going to increase our rain chances once again going into next weekend. So we'll have a dry day or two before things get a little bit messy again for the weekend. Now the rainfall totals, these are estimates from one model and probably going to be approximately right. We see 3 to 5 inches in the purple areas here. The bullseye 4 to 6 inches. I think this probably should be extended a little bit farther up towards the west coast because this is where there is a flood watch out. We're not in that flood watch. We'll see 3 to 5, 2 to 4 inches of rain here. Some of the estimates coming up on the model a little bit less than that, but could have pockets of higher rainfall totals and more moisture. If a storm happens to blow up and sit there for a little bit or training in one area, you're going to see storm after storm move through. That could add up, and that's what we're looking at for the chance for some flooding. We're not looking for widespread flooding at all on our side of the coast. We're looking for those areas where you might continually get those off and on showers and thunderstorms. That may add up. You may get some street flooding for that. So that's what the deal is for our side of the coast. Also, when that system moves across the state, when Tropical Storm Emily does, we could see a little bit enhancement of spin there. So the tornado threat, although not high, it's not zero. So with a non-zero tornado threat, there is that off chance we may spin up a tornado, a brief tornado as it moves and then kicks on out to sea by tomorrow afternoon. And elsewhere in the tropics, this has been dropped actually to 20%. So things looking a lot better there. But this is it right here. It definitely made landfall here, right around, they say it's just south of St. Pete, if not St. Pete in Manatee County, and then that will push across the way there.